Hi guys, how's everyone doing today? And in today's video, we will make the Earth's inner model using Scratch's pen extensions. I'm just going to show you a demo of what we are going to build today. Oh wow, that looks very magical, right? So yes, this animation is a bit long. I'm just going to stop it and let's do it now. Now I have created a new project. I'm going to name it Earth's inner model. Okay, now we will name this sprite as painted. That's a bit more sensible name than sprite 1. And also, we don't really need to have a costume for this sprite. I'm going to delete all of them, but I just want to be able to see it for now. I'm just going to show it for now. I'm just going to draw a costume. You need not draw a costume. I just want to see it. And before we do any code, I'm just going to bring another of one of my favorite backdrops. Okay, so where was it? Yes, this really helps in positioning. So what should we do first? Now we always want to start with the green flag, then we set size to 100%. Yes, always you don't want to set it to 100%. It does not really make a big difference because you'll have no costume at all. And you can see at starting it's centered. Now I'm using Scratch add-ons so I can easily click this control plus space and I can just have to type and I'll get that block. So where do I want to start with? What about here? Now let's be on what is its position? Let's set it to -35. What about that? That seems pretty good to me. I'm just going to show it for now, but trust me, the model is going to be very big. Now let's work on some actual coding. So let's get started. And at the starting, we want to erase everything to get a fresh start. Then we want to pen down so that we can start drawing. Then we want to set pen size to 100. Not pen color, pen size to 100. Yes, that is going to be big, very big. Now we want to set the pen color to, we definitely don't want to set it to blue. Let's set it to brown. The outer model, the first is the crust. So its color is about 5. Yes, it's very annoying. Oh, are you for real? Yes, now I could control it with the arrow keys. Saturation will like to be 100 and the brightness can be very low, like 70, not 67, 70. You can experiment with these values. And as always, you want to point in a new direction, that is 0. Then we will make a new custom block named draw earth. And don't take the run without screen refresh. It will just be too quick and it will bug the project. Now I'm using a custom block even though it's an animation because I have not ticked the run without screen refresh and I can easily fix scripts if I want to. Now I want the animation to be a bit quick, so I'm going to bring a repeat to 72 instead of a repeat 360. Now we want to move how many steps? 10 will be way too big. 3.11. I get these values from trial and error and turn 5 degrees. 72 into 5 is 360, so it will work. Now I'm just going to go in full screen, also gonna save the project, and you can see it perfectly draws it, and if you compare it with the backdrop, it's perfectly centered. I really like it. Now from this point we don't really need the backdrop and the costume since it's perfect. I'm going to show you that it does not really make a big difference. I'm just going to show it right now. Now you see it does it very quickly and I actually like it. Okay, now we want to make the Earth's second model. That is the next area, that is the mantle. After crest comes mantle. Now what we will do is that we will set pen color, not pen color, pen size, not here, pen 90, bit smaller. Then we will set pen color to, so the mantle is orange in color, it's very warm. So we will set it not to dark green. Saturation can be 100. Brightness can also be 100. We will set it to be a color of 4, not 3. Ah, it's such a pain. Yes. Then we will again point in direction 90 because we want to reset the direction always. Then what should we do? Yeah, we definitely repeat the script. And that's it. That's that. Now I'm going to add a wait 0 0.1 seconds because this animation now I'm realizing is a bit too fast, so it will slow it by a little bit. Now as always I like to save, and now I'm going to show you a demo. Well, it's a bit slow, slower than usual. You can remove that or decrease the value, but I actually like it now. It shows us in a way greater detail. Yeah, I really like this. See, as I showed in the demo at the starting of the video, although it was not a perfect demo, it's looking pretty nice, right? Now, let's just duplicate this. It's very easy. I could have used a repeat loop and just change these values by using variables, but it's way more simpler to do it in this way. Now we will set the pen size to 30. Yes, that's 1/3 of the size of mantle. The outer core is that small. Now the outer core is actually not as solid like the inner core because the pressure is still not enough. Now if now what I'm going to do is that I can remove these wait 0 0.1 seconds, but I actually want to see the animation very quickly. You can remove them if you want to, but this way is a bit better because this shows the animation very greatly to us, and you can see there is no gap. Okay, I'm waiting for it, and now you see, yes, the outer core is very small, and you can see this gap, this dot. This is the place where the inner core exists. It is the reason why, because we are living on Earth, it makes the Earth's geomagnetic the radius. Okay, now we want to bring in a pen up. Then we want to go to x0 and y0. That's the center. Then we want to set pen size to 40. Yes, because we want to fill this gap. This value may not be perfect. I just selected it randomly. Set pen color, not brightness. We don't want to interfere with the brightness. Anyways, we are already setting it here, so it will just make it more bright. And this one is a bit easy. We'll set it to red, although it may not be red, but we can never go down there. Then we want to pen down. You see, I could have used a stamped version, but I'm using pen down because why not? That's why I have not used a repeat loop. And guys, I want to say that we are done. Smash that green flag and watch the animation. Yes, it's very satisfying seeing it making a perfect circle, and Scratch's pen extension always make it a bit pixelated. There is nothing we can do about it, but it still looks pretty nice. And let's wait for the last one. Yes, I really love the animation, and You see that as soon as this stopped, it did not continue the script. That's really satisfying. So, guys, that's the end of the episode. This was a really epic episode, and I hope this really helped to you. You can increase and decrease with these pen size values and play with your own colors. You can change these colors and also try with other values of these repeat loops. Also, you can remove these wait 0.1 seconds. They're just to make just to slow the animation by a little bit so that we can see everything. Okay, so that's that. I will see you in the next video. So goodbye.